In this video we are talking about if HBAR continues the bullish momentum to the upside or if we see a move to lower levels. After HBAR made this massive bearish trend, we first saw a reaction in this demand zone and moved to the upside. Then we retraced again from this supply zone to lower levels. And right now we are seeing this bullish power to the upside. And in the last video we were around this prices right here. And I said that the chances high that we can continue to the upside. And I said the chances high if we are breaking this last high and the supply zone to the upside with a daily or weekly body close, that we then see even higher prices. I will show you now the clip from the last video. And right now, after we broke this range to the upside, it's now really important that we are breaking this supply zone to the upside. Because if we are seeing this daily or weekly body close over this supply zone, then I think the chances high that we see even higher prices for HBAR. And then the chances high that we come into this supply zone. And then it's important how we react right here. And as you can see, we saw this bullish reaction to the upside. And after we saw a reaction right here in the supply zone, we then made a higher low and saw higher prices. And after we came out of the supply zone, we saw this bullish reaction. So congrats to everybody who took a trade here on HBAR. And if you want to have daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like HBAR, then join my free Telegram group. You will find the link in the description. And now we are coming into this bigger supply zone. And this supply zone is very strong because from this supply zone, we saw this move to lower levels. And after we came back, we then saw this bearish reaction as well. So now it's really important that we are breaking this last highs to the upside. And if we're breaking them, that we see higher prices. And in the best case that we are closing out of this supply zone. But as I said, technically this supply zone is strong, so the chances there that we see a reaction right here. But I think the chances higher that we can continue the moves to the upside because we are seeing this bullish momentum and bullish trend to the upside with higher lows all the way and higher highs. So as long as we continue this bullish trend, I think the chances higher that we continue to go to the upside. But if we are breaking this old supply zone to the downside and especially this last low right here, so if we're breaking this one with the daily or weekly body close, then I think the chances higher that we can continue to go to the downside again. But as long as we don't break this low right here, then I think the chances higher that we can continue to go to the upside, especially if Bitcoin is also going to the upside. Because when Bitcoin is going to the upside, the chance that altcoins like HBAR are also going to the upside is very high. And if you're not in a trade right now, I would wait if we come to lower levels again. And if we are coming again into this demand zone. And if we see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, I would search for long positions right here and hodl it into the next highs. But if anything interesting happens for HBAR, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on HBAR. So all in all, we finally saw this bullish power to the upside. And as I said, after we broke this supply zone to the upside, we saw higher prices. So congrats again to everybody who took a trade here on HBAR. And right now we are in this very interesting supply zone because this supply zone caused the last bearish moves to the downside. And we also saw rejection right here. So the chances high that we can see a reaction also right here. But if we're breaking this highs to the upside and especially this supply zone, then I think the chances high that we can see a massive explosion for HBAR. And I think the chances high that we can continue this bullish trend to the upside as long as we don't break this last lows right here. If we're breaking them, I think the chances higher that we can continue to go to lower levels. But as long as we don't break this level, I think the chances higher that we can continue to the upside. And if you're not in a trade right now, I would wait if you come into this demand zone. And if we see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, I would search for long positions right here and hodl it into the next highs. So this was it for this video. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.